welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rosie Styles, and today I'm going to do an unboxing tutorial using the hair that was sent to me. The company did sponsor this video, meaning the hair was not purchased with my own coins. So the hair that I received was from DUS store. They are on Amazon, and they sent me the new soft locks crochet locks in the length 36 inches, color 1B. The locks did come in pre-loop, meaning that you can actually crochet them in. You can do individual crochet, or you could do the crochet method using the cornrows. So let's start the video. Originally, since the hair came from Amazon, it did come in an Amazon box, but inside of the box, this is how the hair was packaged. It is nicely packaged together. And inside the package, there's about six individual packed locks. So one, two, that's a lot of hair. That was a lot of hair. Okay, so they sent me 6 packs of hair. So sent a crochet needle, some accessories, and some 3D eyelashes. This is cute. I like the packaging of the eyelashes. Bien cute. Okay. Well, how do I get it open? Let me see. Oh, these are nice. These look like the mink eyelashes. Can you guys see this? This is nice. Usually when these hair vendors send eyelashes with the hair, they don't usually be good. But these are nice. I like. I'm gonna put this right back in the box for when I'm ready to use it. All right, next. Let's see how this hair looks. You know, when they reached out to me, they said 36 inches. I was like, 36 inches? I want to try the 36 inches new locks, the soft locks. Child. Do you guys see this? This is the kind of hair you need when you go on vacation. You go on somebody's island, you throw this on. You're about to be a hot girl. You know how much time you could save if you get this? If you get this hair, you don't even need to be attaching 2 locks together to give you 36 inches. It already comes for you. What? This hair is so long, it's already making me hot. But this is nice, guys. This is nice. This is nice. I'm speechless. So let me see how many pieces that comes in each pack. 1, 2. 21 pieces, 21 individual blocks, and you have 6 packs. That's more than enough to do your hair. more than enough to do one full head. This hair is nice. So if I don't know if I mentioned it before, the hair is in the color 1B. It's a natural brown. You know, what else can I say about this hair? I honestly, guys, I just want to install the hair. And the only way you can know how this hair will look like is if you press the bell button or if you subscribe. And then you will know when I upload the video showcasing this hair. Oh, new year 2021. I'm about to be new me for real. Hot girl. Hot girl. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna end the video right here. I just really wanted to show you guys the unboxing of the hair. I'm really impressed. The hair is nice and soft. It's not rough. It's not thin. It's really long. It's long. The hair is long, guys. The hair is long. You're feeling the way I'm feeling. If this hair is giving you energy, press the like button. If this hair is giving you energy, if you're feeling this hair, if you're excited to see this hair, make sure you press the bell button so you could be updated when I upload the new video. All right, guys, so stay safe, enjoy the new year, and I'll see you guys later.